Hello, my friend. Let's meditate together. This is a 5-minute stress buster. This is a short meditation for anyone feeling just a little stressed. Stress may have one cause or many, but whatever the cause, this meditation will allow you to step away from it for just a few minutes. So make yourself as relaxed as you can and take the deepest breath you can. Drawing breath into the nose and exhaling out through the mouth. Now let's do this again, but see the air you breathe in as a warm light sparkling, and see the breath you exhale as a dark, tense storm, and watch it vanish into nothing. I promise this stressful situation is not going to last forever. It will fade behind you to become just a vague memory on the road of your life. You are an amazing human being with the ability to adapt to whatever situation you need to, still focusing on our breath into the nose, push it out through the mouth, seeing that stress fade away. You are far more competent and skilled than you give yourself credit for. So start giving yourself credit now. Say to yourself, silently or out loud, I can handle this. I can do this. I can get through this. And breathe all of those words in. Hold it at the top. Exhale nice and strong. Feel yourself being flooded with new, revitalizing energy. Everything will work out just fine, even if you can't see a clear path right now. Because you are fully capable of dealing with stressful situations, and when you do so with calmness and integrity, you will see them shrink into nothingness. Let's take our final deep breath right here, right now, in through the nose, deep into the diaphragm. Hold it at the top. Exhale nice and strong. Take these thoughts and this sense of calm with you into your day. Thank you for your time and attention.